Hi, I'm Carrie Marquis, and if you're asking how do I even begin the divorce process in Texas, I want you to know that's one of the most common and most understandable questions I hear. Making the decision to file for divorce is rarely easy. There's often a mix of fear, uncertainty, and even guilt. But taking the first step doesn't mean you have everything figured out. It simply means you're ready for clarity. So here's how the process starts. In Texas, a divorce officially begins when one spouse files an original petition for divorce with the district court in the county where either spouse has lived for at least 90 days. Additionally, at least one spouse must have lived in Texas for the past 6 months. The petition outlines the basic information about the marriage, whether there are children, what type of property is involved, and what the filing spouse is requesting in terms of custody, support, and division of assets. Once the petition is filed, your spouse must be formally notified. This is called service of process. They can either be served by a process server or they can sign a waiver acknowledging receipt of the paperwork. From the moment the petition is filed, Texas law imposes a mandatory 60-day waiting period before a divorce can be finalized. Even in the most amicable cases, this waiting period applies. Early in the process, we may also request temporary orders to address issues like child custody, support, who stays in the marital home, and how bills are paid. These orders create structure and stability while the case moves forward. Many people assume filing means going straight to court, but that's not usually the case. Most divorces involve negotiation and often mediation before ever reaching a trial setting. Before filing, it's important to gather basic financial documents, bank statements, retirement account information, mortgage details, and tax returns. Preparation can make the process smoother and help you feel more in control during a time that often feels anything but. Starting a divorce doesn't mean you failed. It means you're choosing to address a situation that may no longer be healthy or sustainable. I am here to help you take that first step with confidence, understanding, and a clear plan forward. You don't have to have all the answers today. You just have to begin, and you don't have to do it alone.
Thanks for tuning in to the end. We understand that divorce can be expensive depending on the situation. That's why we're offering our Do-It-Yourself Texas Divorce eCourse. You can get access to this eCourse by clicking on the link in the description below. Catch you in the next video.